So this is going to be like an introduction to what's going to be going on for the next few weeks. The truth of the matter is, me and Theo have bought a house. Our house needs doing up, and done up it shall be done. So we walk in, there's going to be pipes there, they're going to be covered up. Everything, absolutely everything you see is going to be painted and decorated. Carpets is all going, and then the entranceway here will be tiled into the living room. Of course, everything's going to be painted. This fireplace, mantelpiece, everything, that's going. The wall should be made good and then decorated. This floor is going to be pulled up and replaced with something matching the carpet that we choose on. And then we go through to the kitchen now. Luckily, the person that we bought it off had recently done the kitchen up. It just needs tidying and decorating to fit, but it's all there. And that is a time saver, absolute time saver. So we go through here. Again, all carpets, all underlay up and replaced. Walls painted. Front bedroom, the same. Carpet, underlay up. All walls painted and decorated. It actually looks like somebody started somewhere. But it's all got to go. This has paper lining, so this is all going to come off down to bare wall. Ceiling as well. Everything. Same as this bedroom here. This is just need plaster. It's just plaster. It's not paper, so that's sorted out. Sort out cracks. Decorated throughout. Again, carpet's going. And carpet's going everywhere. Oh. And we talked about this bit for a while, but we decided that the whole bathroom is going to be done. We're going to rip everything out, replace with modern, tile and paint. You betcha. It's a 2-bedroom house in a really nice spot, and I'm going to be taking you along all of the doings of the stuff that needs doing. So Jeff, what's the first job going to be? Jeff, tell us, what's the first job going to be? The first job is going to be ripping up the carpets and the underlay in every room. And that, as they say, is that. End of the old era, in with the new era, and voila, the carpets and the underlay are gone, gone, gone. Here in the entranceway, carpet, gone. Underlay, gone. See? Ha ha! And you see the stairs? Carpet gone, underlay gone. Way! The landing, carpet gone, underlay gone. Here, in the large bedroom, carpet gone, underlay gone. And here, in the smaller bedroom, carpet gone, underlay gone, and all of the carpet and everything dumped in here. Why? Because I'm going to have a skip delivered at some point. That's going to go in the back garden here, and all of this carpet, all of this underlay is going out the window. Voila! And that, the first job done. On with the next.